Hi Suresh, good evening.
Good evening.
Hi.
Yeah, hi Suresh. Hi Pujita.
Hi.
Hi Suresh. Yeah. Can you hear me, Suresh?
Hello.
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yeah, please tell me about yourself.
Yeah. Thank you. Good afternoon. Um, my name is Suresh Raju Vetkuri. I have overall experience in 4+ years of IT, and my relevant in Agile and Devops methodologies 3 years of experience. Past 3 years, I have been working in Skylab Infotech Private Limited, build and release engineer. Coming my skill set, hands-on experience of Linux, proven experience of Git version control systems, and good in Jenkins, and daily activities in CI/CD process, based on experience of written in playbooks and Ansible, and also microservices like Docker and Kubernetes. It is doing in a containers platform deploy into the Kubernetes cluster, and also use it to Helm charts, Helm packages. I'm doing in I want to explain about idea and working experience of infrastructure as a code. It is create of resources in AWS. Is basically it is Kubernetes applications are doing in um, what type of applications are running at the Kubernetes cluster, how to health checks are there is more information about that monitoring tools like Prometheus and Grafana. It is doing in it is way to implementation of monetization tools, and CloudWatch is it is AWS and the cloud platforms are doing very interactive mode of CloudWatch. It is the monitoring services. This
Okay.
is my side.
Yeah. So what will be your daily activities day to day? What kind of tickets you get? What is the ticketing tool you're using?
Jira.
Okay. In Jira dashboard, what kind of issues you have resolved so far?
It is build and release functionality happens in different activities, and CI/CD process. What is the build failures? What happens to further steps to server side? Any issues facing? That my side, my responsibility day-to-day activities in a pipeline.
Okay. So basically, you are checking if there is any issue in the build side, like maybe if it is failing in Jenkins, so you'll be troubleshooting it, right?
Yes.
Or if there is any conflict in the CI/CD.
It is
So
doing something, some build failure as per the requirements of developer side issue. One type of issue. That next type is doing in server based issue. The server is
okay,
down in the master. The configuration is missing that way. The error of the server is not reachable. That is the issues are
okay,
facing.
okay. So you said you have used Kubernetes orchestration tool, right?
Yeah.
Do you have any knowledge on OpenShift?
No. It is basically Kubernetes I am working.
So you're working on Kubernetes. Okay, not a problem.
But not a practice. It is not experience based doing in OpenShift. It's a knowledge about that, but some all the application is running in the OpenShift configuration, all about it. That is the my side of knowledge in OpenShift, but it's doing in
Okay.
Kubernetes also.
Okay. So what is the OpenShift version? Which applications are running?
It's practically I'm not doing, but OpenShift is not working presently.
Okay, fine, not a problem. So I'll give you a scenario.
Yeah.
Say for example, um, your etcd component is having a issue in master node. Okay.
Okay.
So you have to replace the etcd pod. Okay.
Okay.
Can you, okay. So how will you, what is the procedure to, or to say, redeploy the etcd component in a master node?
Actually, etcd is a database of backend of all the store of information about that Kubernetes cluster. That missing of the component, you can resolve that some maintenance purpose to resolve it. That they replacing the all those stuff is there in SRE engineers. That is
Mhm.
way to
Uh,
so I am a deployment side of view. I am taking that way.
okay, okay, I got it. You work mostly on the deployment side. Okay, not on the configuration parts, right?
Yeah.
Okay, okay, fine, not a problem. And okay, you mentioned you worked on the shell scripting, right?
Yeah.
So are you aware of Python as well?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. For shell scripting, I'll give you a scenario.
Okay.
Um, so how first, tell me how much would you rate out of 10 in shell scripting?
Self scripting 5.
Okay. So say for example, I have 10 or 10 servers. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And using SSH keys, I need to log into each of the servers and get the what to say OS version.
Okay.
Can I just type the shell script for that and paste it in a chat? You got my scenario, right?
Yes. Yes. You can. Um you are mentioned into 10 servers.
Mhm.
You
Any
can.
10 servers, so you need to log into each of the servers
Hello.
and then get the OS
Hello.
version.
Your voice is breaking. Please check your network.
Is it clear now? Now is it fine?
Yes. 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 Please tell me.
So I was saying you are having 10 servers. You need to log into each server and get the OS version. So just write a shell script for that.
Okay. Um, your command. It is the chat box. Where is the chat box?
Yeah, you can use the chat box to type.
Screen sharing to write it.
Anything is fine. No need to share the screen. There is a chat option, right?
It is no chart option
Let me
as
ping you.
displayed, but
See, I pinged you hi. Okay, you might have got a notification.
please hi. You message in push the short box.
Yeah,
You
yeah,
didn't push that.
yeah. I pushed it. Will you be? You will be able to see.
I am not seeing the display.
Okay, on top of, you are in Teams, right? On top of the Teams, you can see people, chat, reaction, more. Okay, at least you can see the attachment. Yeah, yeah. That is the reaction. Before that, you have the chat option.
Chart
You
option.
got it right?
Please push up the one message there.
Yeah, I
I am not
already
seeing.
pushed one message.
Okay, not displayed in my side. Mm,
Okay, you just
okay,
clicked on the reaction, right? Yeah.
uh, tell me another questions, please. After that, you can.
Okay. Another question, just okay. You can just give me what are the commands you used in Linux?
I am using an disk space and CPU utilization, other users permissions, and the file
Mhm.
permissions, group permissions. That is the
Okay.
log check.
Okay, you said log check, right? So, how will you check the logs which are generated 30 days, means logs which are older than older 30 days older?
Yes, yes. A tile log hyphen have that particular log file. That is the way
Okay.
to implementation my side. Um, different scenarios where you can daily checking is not a checking, but the scripting ways of SRE engineers are doing well. But I'm seeing some tickets is raising my side to user pushing to my area to can check it, and I push to that manager level of particular servers. That is, the record is continuously maintenance of SRE engineers.
Okay. So what is router sharding?
What?
Router sharding in Kubernetes.
Not heard about that word.
Okay. So I mean, how the network is configured in Kubernetes, like
It is doing an ingress.
Ingress, right? Okay. Okay, fine. Actually, to be honest, we are looking into someone who is having good knowledge in configuration part because
Yes, yes.
we are
I am
tied up
doing
with
in.
the
Yes, yes. I am
yeah, we are
doing
tied up
in.
with Azure for the migration. We are already in process of migrating our on-prem to cloud, right?
Yes, yes. On-prem to cloud. Okay, okay.
Okay, on-prem, we are migrating
It is
everything to
basically
Azure.
it's basically clients are own data centers.
Sorry?
Clients are own data centers in presently.
No, no. Amadeus itself have its own data center. It is a second largest data center if you compare to Google, and it's the second largest data center which we had in Erding.
Okay,
So
okay.
we are migrating everything to on-prem, means on-prem to cloud. That is Azure we have partnered with, and even we have Google Cloud as well.
Okay.
So that's why we are looking into candidates who is very good in configuring and creating the landing zone for the application, and then migrating entire workload to cloud. Okay. So
Okay.
the what I understood communicating with you is like you are having a good knowledge in CI/CD
Yes.
integration and like troubleshooting, but not on the backend side of maybe it's a Kubernetes or whatever like orchestration. We are basically looking into the people who are good in Kubernetes,
It is
Openshift.
AKS. AKS doing. It is a.
Yeah.
It is not on premises, or it is doing in, also built in ready-madely doing Kubernetes in AKS.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm doing in EKS.
Okay. Okay. Fine.
Yes. It is basically maintenance of resources in infrastructure as a code is Terraform is AWS of architecture is maintenance identity access management. That is
Mhm.
permissions for roles and responsibilities. My side.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, fine. So maybe I'll discuss with HR. If there is any requirement for this, your role in other departments, I'll try to push you. Okay.
Okay. This is the role for Azure.
Yeah, this and also yeah, as we said, not for Azure completely. So we are in OpenShift platform. It is 3.11. The support will be getting over soon. So the applications which are having 4.x will be migrated to Azure. So
Okay.
we need someone who is good in Azure as well as the current OpenShift platform.
This is
So
advanced
that is
Kubernetes. OpenShift is.
yeah, yeah.
Yes, yes, I am idea about the documentation is sometime lazy time to refer that, but some practically implementation to adopt that technology also in the future.
Okay, yeah,
Okay,
sure. I'll give my feedback to HR and she'll get back to you regarding that. Okay.
okay, okay. Any question for that? My questions is two questions are asking for me, for you.
Yeah.
Um, it is the client based, it is the product based company or SaaS based company?
This is a product-based company. We have our own product, GDS. It's like if I want to explain you in a simple way, like for 180 sorry, GDS providers and IT solutions provider. So,
Okay.
so it's a product.
Yeah, okay, okay. It is doing in a continuous. What is the tools and technologies? CI/CD process.
Yeah, like CI/CD topics, it came up recently since we had our own data center. We were not worried about the cloud part.
Okay.
Since we are planning to move everything to cloud based on our client's requirement. So now we are integrating the latest technology, moving into DevOps culture. So we are coming up with this, yeah, CI/CD, Jenkins, and
Okay, okay. Yeah, unbuilt of cloud or outside the third party tools?
no, cloud only, on cloud only.
On cloud only. It is doing in some
Yeah.
CI/CD process and also in AWS is a code pipeline, code build, code trigger. It
Yeah.
is the.
Basically, initially we will be looking into migration process where we will be using CI/CD to migrate the workload. Then once everything is moved to Azure, then there also we will be looking into push latest code to change the application thing. So there also will be using CI/CD.
Okay,
So current
your
current
roles and
plans is yeah.
your daily day-to-day roles and responsibilities. You are working in Kubernetes admin or CI/CD process or any microservice
Yeah,
maintenance.
exactly. Basically, 80% will be on a Kubernetes admin.
Okay,
Yeah, and CI/CD a bit on CI/CD as well. Yeah.
okay. It is the containerization flat. It is also you can use to in Helm charts.
Sorry. Helm jobs.
Yeah.
Yeah, Helm jobs. We are used to. Yeah.
Yes. It is the basically you can the piece of code is built into the containers and deploy into the Kubernetes clusters. That is the
Exactly.
way to that.
They are already deployed by the development team. So
Mm-hmm.
we are the admins who will be troubleshooting if there is any what to say
Production
vulnerability in the
issues.
cluster.
Yeah.
Yeah, production issues. Yeah,
Yes. It is doing in SRE engineers or DevOps engineers also doing in every time is the deployment part to everything about know about that the area, the Kubernetes area. Yeah. Um, Last my question is, um, which entire process is automation or manually? Hello. 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 Manju. Hello.
hello.
Uh,
Yeah,
yeah.
can you hear me?
Yes. Some.
Yeah, sorry for that.
This is the entire
There was
process is automation way.
so it's my currently we have both automation and manual
Yes.
part. Like automation team, there is a separate team where they'll be automating the things like for creating a namespace or creating the landing zone. They are creating the automation using the service now and all.
Okay.
So that part is going on. Apart from
This
that,
is a ticketing
yeah.
tool service now. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. It is the totally automation process of CI/CD workflows. Okay. It is
Yeah,
doing
exactly.
in CI process. What can CI this pipeline is you can build in code or you can which type of pipeline is using? It is
See, like we work on completely on continuous integration.
okay.
Okay, the other team deployment side, the teams different team we have to look into. We
Okay.
are working on only CI.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Any other
No,
questions?
no questions. Okay.
Yeah, definitely. I will give an opportunity. Like I'll just speak with HR and see if there is any other.
Okay.
Uh,
Thank you for this opportunity. Thank you.
yeah,
You can talk with
nice.
yours. Very happy today. Um,
Yeah,
Thank you. See
yeah.
you.
Okay.
Bye.
Good to speak to you. Yeah, thanks. Have a nice day. Thanks.
Have a nice day. Thank you. Close the car.